Hi everybody, this is John T. Rex, and I've got an 18-inch Zildjian Pang cymbal for sale, probably on eBay and I'm not sure where else. So this video is so people interested in buying it can hear it, but if you're just wanting to know what a 18-inch Zildjian Pang sounds like, well, you can listen to it too. Here we go. Pang cymbals are pretty darn loud. They're kind of a Chinese type, but the flange is flat, parallel to the table if you sit it down instead of upturned like a regular China. It has a round bell instead of a square one, like a swish does. And they're normally played bell side up as an alternative ride. Zildjian came out with these in I think like the 40s or 50s. This one I believe is from the 70s, and it weighs about 1,650 grams if I remember right. I wrote it on the bottom, but then I forgot to look at it before I started this video. Here we go. We got bell sound, the ride sound, and again.